my good friend Mr. Microsoft Bimbo's Jordy pointed out to me. Guess how many subscriber activities I have? Guess what? It's a big 5-0. Hooray! Which means it's finally time for the third episode of You Know What? Liam's Kitchen, which also happens to be his desk. Now, I said last episode that we're gonna use some of that solder and sticky notes are an essential, so. But I don't know what to make yet because it snuck up on me because I'm a dumbass. I wonder who my 50th subscriber was. I don't fucking know, but what should we cook? What should we? Smells like soldering iron in here. What should we cook? Forrest Gump? Nah, it's a good movie. My favorite video game? That one? No. My least favorite video game? Nah. Well, what should we do? Oh, we have some Tang from 3 days ago, and of course, we always have laundry. More Christmas mints. So, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set the phone down soon, because you can't operate a soldering iron with one arm. Alright, so first, we have to do step 1, which is episode 2. Fuck, there's my backpack. Under the guitar and the Chromebook. You gotta know that our cement... Did you know? Don't do that, original Xbox. Oh. You know that our hitty device is right here. Bop it. So, first step is to you already know the drill. Unless you haven't watched episode 2. In which case, spoiler alert, it's that. What now? Sticky note! What are we gonna do with the sticky note? Let's see here. We have the sticky note, and we have some solder. Guess you guys can't really see, huh? Yes. We're going to use solder. Fucking told you guys this was going to be the truth. And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna, not know what we're doing. This is all coming along together very nicely. You can see a delicacy. It's fucking smoky in here. Maybe I shouldn't do this. Get all the smoke out. 1 second, folks. Alright, we're done with soldering iron. We're done with solder. Because I don't want to burn my house down. So we have this, which is wonderful. But what else do we need? What else do we need on our absolute delicacy? I know. We need to roll it like a joint. Or whatever. I don't fucking know how to roll joints. I'm not a weed. Magic. what we're gonna do is we're gonna delicious. This has been Liam's Kitchen. It also happens to be his desk, episode 3.